Welcome to the How to Set Up an Exhibition in Virtual Reality video. I'll walk you through step by step from beginning to end of how to do this. It's only going to take a couple of minutes, so let's jump right in. First, go to artgatevr.com. Once you're on the home page there, you're going to click on the Login Sign Up button. If you're already an exhibitor and have an account, just click Sign In. If you're new, click on Sign Up, fill out the information, and then you can sign up. Since I already have an account, I'm just going to jump on Sign In there. So the only things you really need to pay attention to, this is your dashboard once you're signed in, are the Artwork and Exhibitions tabs. So first, let's start with uploading a couple of artworks into your database. So you can view all, which will show you all the artworks in your database. If you have none, then you're going to start with Add New. So we'll go through that first. So I clicked on Artwork, Add New, and then I got brought to this page. This page asks you all the information about the artwork. Just fill in the fields. If it's a two-dimensional work, upload a JPEG file for it. If it's a video art film work, upload a YouTube URL. And for any 3D files or artworks, you want to use this 3D tab at the top. So let's just assume that I filled in all the information. I clicked on Choose File. I added a JPEG image, and then I clicked Upload Artwork. Once I've done that, I can go into my database here, and I can look at all the artworks that I've uploaded. So it just takes a minute to upload an artwork, and everything you upload shows up here. So once you have a couple artworks added into your database, the next thing you're going to want to go is to Exhibitions. So click on Exhibitions. View All will show you all the exhibitions, but first I'll show you Buy Space. So I have a museum package, so this gives me 15,000 square foot of exhibition space in virtual reality for $50 a month. And you can do 2 to 5 rooms, which is equivalent to 5,000 square foot for $25, or you can start off with just one room and it's 1,000 square foot for $10. So first off, you have to choose how much gallery space you'd like and get that. So I already have my museum package, so once I click on View All, you can see all the different slots I have to exhibit in. So I have a few exhibitions up already, but I also have all these additional slots here. Each slot represents a gallery space. So I want to create a new gallery space. I'll show you exactly how that works. So I click Add New Gallery Space. It's going to ask me for the name, Epic Exhibition 1, 2, 3 Gallery, blah, blah, blah. Make sure you click this tab here in order for the public to see it. If it's not toggled, then your exhibition is going to be private, no one can see it. So fill in that information, and then the next step is to choose which artworks you want to put in your exhibition. So this is your whole database here, your artwork database on the left-hand side. You just want to drag and drop whichever pieces you want to include in the exhibition over here. So let's say I just want to have 3 artworks in my gallery space, so I've just chosen these 3, and say I want to have this piece at the beginning of the exhibition, then I'll leave it in this first slot. If I wanted to have it at the end of the exhibition, then I would drag it to the end, and this would show up at the end of the exhibition. Again, if I wanted this piece in the middle of the exhibition, I would drag it here. So the way the artwork shows up in virtual reality is related to the order in which they're brought into this exhibition. So you can move around artworks anytime you want, and then all you do is click Create Exhibition, and then it's automatically uploaded into virtual reality. So that's all it takes to create an exhibition in VR, and we look forward to seeing your next exhibition. Thanks.